If you want to impress your friends too, here's what I did. First, fry up some onions in melted butter. Then add coriander, turmeric and cumin. Remember to allow the spices to cook through or the dish can taste a bit sharp. Once that's done, add the rice and fry for a bit. Next, add your stock, sultanas, season and simmer. Once it's cooked through, add your smoked haddock and parsley, squeeze on a bit of lemon, pop some hard-boiled egg on top and serve to local folk musicians. The last bit is optional. And there you go. Kedgeree.